The white meat is going to be cordon bleu style, the dark meat with the buffalo sauce.
We're under this tent to protect my smoker, which I've prepared to the perfect 325 degrees, so I can smoke up these beautiful wings that Rachel has been brining for about 24 hours now. They have bourbon, they have hot sauce, they have Worcestershire. So I'm gonna put these on here. I added cherry wood chips. I think with poultry, cherry or apple wood chips work best. Give a nice smoky flavor, like you're going to, barbecue joint. And then you're gonna, I put this on indirect heat. I have a diffuser there. It's a ceramic plate that sits between the fire and the meat so that there isn't things dripping and flare-ups. If you have just a regular old school grill, you can put all your coals on one side and put the meat on the other side, and that'll be indirect as well. But what you want is, you want about 325 indirect heat, and the heat and the smoke is just gonna circulate around that bird and really flavor it with this nice, beautiful, smoky buffalo flavor. So these are perfect 165 degrees each. We're gonna pull these. We're gonna bring these to Rachel, and she's going to make them part of our beautiful Thanksgiving dinner.
For John's wings and drummers, I have a giant bowl ready to toss everything together. I have the sauce. It's the same that we did with the marinade, except we added butter. So you melt a stick of butter, and this would dress 8 to 10 large pieces of dark meat, 1 stick of butter, 1 bulb of garlic, shredded, grated, or chopped, and then to that I added about a 1/4 cup of bourbon, about a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire, about 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and a good 3 tablespoons of this smoked shoyu. So we put that all together with black pepper in a pot, and I add about a cup of turkey or chicken stock. I add a little salt at the end, just to make it pop. So you take all the dark meat and throw it on your grill and toss it in buffalo sauce, basically. Top it with blue cheese, carrot, celery sticks. Done. For the turkey breasts, you butterfly it and pound it out and put string underneath it, pre-cut, so you can tie it up when you're done. Then I cover it with Dijon mustard, a light layer, salt and pepper, and I turn it into basically cordon bleu. I add cheese, in this case cheddar, and some smoky ham, and then we're gonna fill it with the apple, celery, and onion stuffing. Here's one rolled on the tray, already ready to go. We've got 3/4 of a bag of stuffing with an apple, celery, and onion in each of these breasts. So the oven is at 325, and these have to roast until the internal temperature at the thickest part of each breast is about 165. Now that will depend on the size of the breast, obviously. 15 minutes per pound for an empty breast. I say 18 to 20 for a stuffed. A little spray of non-aerosol oil. And then into the oven we go.